But I do often, as I mix, I will import session data in other contexts too. So, for example, I might have an aux track already set up for a bass in a previous song, especially if it's a previous song by the same group. I will then go to import that session data instead of rebuilding the aux track. So I'll go import session data and then I'll go find that previous song, right? And then I'll import that session data from the previous session. So for this one, for example, it doesn't look like I had an aux track for the bass, but if I was in the drums folder, I might go and import all of these right off the bat, and then I don't have to reset those. I don't have to rebuild those. I might do the same exact thing for a lot of the audio tracks as well, right? So I might import the audio track for the kick and not import the actual audio itself, and then drag over my plugins or copy paste my audio onto that track so that it has a better starting point, right? Then it takes less time for me to mix the song, especially if it's something like it's another song within the same album and it has the same instrumentation, the same deal going on. This can save you a ton of time. And it's very similar to working with templates. It's just a little more customized, a little more a la carte. And I like doing it this way because I can very carefully go through and be like one section at a time, getting it to where I want it to be instead of just blindly putting everything on one template and then having to remember where to go to customize things. I can just do it one chunk at a time and it feels more manageable to me personally. That's why I like doing it this way.